Alright, today we're featuring a certified pre-owned 2017 Honda Accord EXL. It's got 11,000 miles on it. It's white orchid pearl in color. Got a clean Carfax, just one owner. Alright, and once again it's certified. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Turn signals in the side mirrors. It is equipped with sunroof. Got the nice chrome door handles. Got your lock unlock button here. Driver's side of the Accord's in really good shape. The way across the rear of the vehicle, it does have rear backup camera. Go way down the passenger side. It also has the lock unlock button on the passenger door handle. It's got your blind spot monitoring camera right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. But once again, it's a certified 2017. It's got 11,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the beige door panels, black accent piece here with the wood grain trim, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Got your memory seats right there. Alright, got the econ button here, your blind spot monitoring button there. Power driver seat, it's beige leather. It's got the perforated inserts. Does come with a keyless entry key fob, remote start, passenger seat leather's in really good shape. Alright, I'll pan out just a little bit, give you a shot of the sunroof here. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your heated seats, power outlet under there, push button start, dual climate controls. Alright, it's going to have your radio display, all your apps, backup camera, blind spot monitoring camera all right here, and we'll show you that in just a second. Alright, get a close-up of the push button start there. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your steering wheel audio controls up here, Bluetooth down here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 11,360 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, we'll go ahead and show you the radio displays. Alright, this is going to give you your current drive, your trip, your radio station. We're going to pan down a little bit. This is going to be your apps right here, okay? You got audio info, Honda Link, smartphone connection. All right, and once again, your dual climate controls with the push button start. And then your heated seats down here on either side of the transmission. All right, let's go ahead and put it in reverse. We're going to activate the backup camera, and it's going to be on this upper screen up here. It's got the guidelines as well. We'll pan down a little bit. It's got the different angles, okay, of the backup camera that you can choose from. We'll go ahead and put it back in park. Activate the blind spot monitoring camera. Let me dim that down for you just a little bit. All right, and it does exactly what it says. It's a visual of your blind spot. It's a great safety feature that Honda offers. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat and check out the trunk space. Door panels look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape. Back seat leather looks good. No problems at all back here. Alright, it's got the center armrest comes down. Got the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look at the trunk. Alright, the trunk's got the nice thick rubber floor mats. Those are factory Accord floor mats. Alright, carpet back here is in good shape. You can see how much depth you got there. Got your jack and spare tire under there. Alright, 17-inch alloys. It's got the nice black trim here. Tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 17 certified, 11,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape inside and out, only 11,000 miles on it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.